What is Web 3.0? What does that actually mean? Web 3.0 is the description given to the latest iteration of the web that involves a much more decentralized version of the internet. So the internet's gone through a number of different phases. We had Web 1.0, and that had certain characteristics. We had Web 2.0, which had certain characteristics, and now we're into Web 3.0, which is a very different area. So if you're on our website, you can scroll down to this, but basically there are 5 different areas where we look at the difference between the different types of web. So Web 1.0 was very much a read-only section. So you interacted in a read-only way. Web 2.0 became more of a read-write where you could actually share information. Web 3.0 is a read-write-own situation where you'll own a lot more of your information, a lot more of your data. The medium through which the web performed in Web 1.0 was kind of static text. There's websites that just had just information on there. Web 2.0 became a lot more interactive. That's where you have social media and things like Google, and you've got to interact a lot more. And Web 3.0 will have more virtual economies, have more information there. The organization of the different webs, Web 1.0 was more about companies. And just having a page about companies. Web 2.0 is more about platforms, so Facebook and Meta and all those kind of things. Web 3.0 is about having networks. It's all about coming together as a network, which is super important for the world going forward. The infrastructure behind the different web versions. Web 1.0 was more about personal computers. Web 2.0 was around cloud and mobile, so storing stuff on your cloud and having your mobile device. And Web 3.0 is going to be about the blockchain and the cloud and the blockchain and how that all works together. The control over the Web 1.0 was decentralized. Then it became more centralized in Web 2.0, and now it's become decentralized, or it's becoming more decentralized again with Web 3.0. So Web 3.0 is a very important area to understand. And how does the law interact with Web 3.0? There's no separate body of law for Web 3.0 or some overarching government organization across the world that governs Web 3.0, at least not at the time of recording this in September 2022. What we need to understand is that the law hasn't caught up with the changes to the web in Web 3.0. And so local government laws, as they are, will need to apply to transactions in the Web 3.0 environment. So what does this mean? This means that you need to get advice from your local lawyer to understand exactly what you need to do in your business. So what I recommend that you do is, if you've got a question around Web 3.0, go and speak to your local lawyer, see how that will apply to you. If you want to find out more about your business and your legal risks, if you're on our website, you'll see the Discover Your Legal Risks link. Go there and you'll be able to find what your legal risks are for your business. They apply just as much across Web 3.0 as they do against Web 1.0 and 2.0. And if you're on YouTube, please go to our website, businesslegallifecycle.com, and you'll see how to take your Discover Your Legal Risks assessment there. Have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.